This was our chef, Francesco. There's his grill back there. Thank you. That smells phenomenal. I'm so excited to eat this. Just some grilled meats. Oh boy. This is...
Nothing on this plate looks like something that I would have ordered normally in a restaurant. None of this seems appealing to me. So. Alright guys, so we had a really interesting story about how we got here. We'll fill you in on that later. But as for now, we're going to try some authentic food here in Albania, in the city of Tirana, with our new friend Martin. Hello. Who is a tour guide here, who we just happened to run into outside, and he graciously decided he's going to take us around today, show us the sights, and stuff our bellies for us. Alright guys, so he is up there ordering an espresso for us, I believe, for her. But what happened was, we were in the town square, we were about to do the intro to this video, and he came up and asked if we spoke English, because he was looking for people that were supposed to be in his tour for today. Apparently they didn't show up. We started talking, and he found out we were coming to this restaurant where his brother works. So he ended up walking us here, just talking and walking the whole way here. He came in, sat down, so we told him, you might as well just do a tour for us today since your other people can't. So we bargained a pretty decent price for him. He said he's going to take us around Tirana now, show us the city, all the highlights, the history. I said, all right, but we really wanted to do food today, so he's going to take us and show us some of the food. He's ordering dishes for us. I'm a pretty picky eater, so I don't know what the hell I'm getting, but you know, when in a foreign land, just go with what they're gonna do.
I think he said like...
So we're gonna go ahead, eat whatever he gives us today, enjoy the tour, the history, and our day has just been turned around upside down, but hey, that's part of traveling. We're gonna go with the flow and see what happens today.
These people here are so friendly. I mean, he was just like, let me be honest with you, these food tours that you're gonna go do, they're just BS. Don't even bother doing them. And then here we are. I don't know. He's he's like our translator. I mean, because nobody in here really speaks good English, so I'm glad that he's here. He said we're getting some bean soup, big bean soup. We're gonna get some kind of cheese, some grilled vegetables, and veal and pork something. I don't know. It could be grilled meat. It could be mixed in to... I don't know. Right. So this one.
This is called tavdeo.
Okay.
It's called tavdeo. It's doesn't mean oven from the earth.
Okay.
Yes.
And this is the cheese.
This is not the cheese. This is called it's called Kyrokapteria. Kyrokapteria, it's in Greece. Does it mean spicy sauce?
Okay.
Not spicy like in India, like in Mexico, but
Yeah.
a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, French. Yeah.
French fries. Grilled vegetables.
Stuffed pepperoni with ricotta.
Okay.
Cream white cheese. Yeah.
Okay.
And these are the bean in oven. Yeah, the big
Big
bean in oven.
bean.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we should know, guys, that this stuff over here are traditional food. Okay, it's a mix between Turkey and Balkan.
Okay.
But mostly they were coming from Turkey. But during the century, we modified in our way.
Okay.
But as origin, we should have said that they are from Turkey,
Okay.
from the Ottoman Empire, because we should know that the Ottoman Empire stayed here for more than 500 years. Exactly from 1389 to 1912. They stay in the region of the Balkan, and they live it here. The food, tradition, in language, in everything.
Wow. Okay.
Let's dig in.
All right.
You ready?
Ready?
You too.
Yeah. Help yourself.
Alright, here we go. This is the stuffed peppers. You ready? You know I just love my peppers.
It's cold. I wasn't expecting that to be cold.
Yeah, I wasn't ready for it to be cold. The peppers are very mild, but the cheese on the inside is also mild, so it's that's not too
good,
bad.
yeah.
So, let's try it right now. Red one's got a little more kick to it, but really not bad. And they love their fries. These come with cheese on them here. So we'll go there, and then from there we head to Skopje.
Skopje, the capital of Macedonia.
Right.
That this territory used to be a...
Olympus.
All right, so he said this wasn't spicy,
And
but it's got a little kick,
we'll end
and
up
that
in
is
Athens
very
or
good,
something.
very, very
Yeah,
good.
that's sort of
I'm not a big cheese person, but that is so good.
It's mild. That's mild. The cheese is mild in that one. All right. Oh boy. Is this the one with the veal in it? Is this the one with the veal? Yeah.
Yeah. I ordered something for you.
For me?
Yes, that my grandfather and my father, they used to have in the morning for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner. With this thing, with this stuff here, and with this, yes.
This is good. This is really good. Is this made with yogurt or is it cheese again?
It's not yogurt. It's okay. How is ricotta
Like
in English? You know ricotta?
Yeah, like a cheese.
But it's not cheese.
Yeah, it's almost like a cottage cheese.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
It's good. It's very good. I think he likes it.
I like that one.
It's called raki. Oh. Do not drink as a shot. No, please. Otherwise, your face is going to be red like that.
Alright, so
Thank
Rocky.
you.
Raki.
Alright.
It's a bit strong.
Nothing like Rocky for breakfast.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does it remind you of the one in Turkey?
It's got a bit more of a kick to it.
Is it warm?
A little stronger.
Yeah. I told you, do not take it as a shot, you know.
Well, that was a kick, yeah, she took that as a shot.
Not as a shot.
And this is
White cheese, not in oven, in grill.
this is the cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah, that my
Okay.
brother prepared for me, yeah.
I
Which
like
one's
this
your
one.
favorite? This one or that one? Alright guys, I think we're trying exactly every food in Albania today. Here it all is on our table. We kind of thought those were the main dishes, but it turns out they were just the appetizers. The main plates just got here.
Just some grilled meats. Oh boy. And this is more grilled meat.
So this I chopped it, and then it's finished.
Okay. Woo. Alright, I think we're gonna enjoy, and we'll give you a review of everything in the end when we're all done.
So we got, I don't know, he just went up and just started ordering foods and foods. We actually have 3 meat dishes, we have 2 appetizer cheese dishes, we have a cheese and vegetable dish, we have a stuffed pepper dish, we have a bean dish, the fries, and
Guys,
bread.
how much do you think that the bill is for all of this?
$8,000. 8,000 euros, I don't know. This
much do
looks
you
like
think?
it's about,
Because I know now, because
Yeah?
I asked you.
I'd say probably 40 euros,
40,
50
50
euros, more.
40 or 50 euros?
40 or 50?
I'll say 45. Am I too high or too low?
You guess.
God, I hope I'm too high. I hope it's 40.
No.
No, alright, I give up on guessing.
31 euro. Wow.
31?
This is a feast.
Oh my.
This is a true feast. We are
And
glad we
that's-
ran into you.
Yeah, and that's why he said that the food tours that you pay for are BS, because that's a lot of food. We probably tried everything. All right, so we just finished up our feast of a breakfast here, and
This
I'm
was
gonna.
absolutely ridiculous the amount of food this guy ordered.
I don't know if you guys heard how much this cost. It was only 31 euros, which blows my mind. This is so much food. Oh, 32. Not bad at all. But I'm gonna give you my 0 to 10 on how good it was. All right, so I'll give that an 8 out of 10. I don't know, that one, just a 5 out of 10 for me. I'm not a big...
I liked all the meats. The meats were just delicious here. But you know I'm a meat person, so to me, I like the pork, the veal, and the sausages. The chicken was delicious.
Chicken. Oh yeah,
chicken skewers I had.
Chicken wrapped in...
The bean dish was
How about them?
has good flavor. I just don't like the bean texture. But this other dish was fantastic. I like that one. And you know I don't like cheeses that much, but this cheese was loved it. Loved it. They can keep their vegetables. I'm just not a veggie guy.
All right,
And
so
of
let me
course
finish.
the bread was fantastic because he was telling us just like in Italy, it's the staple of all meals. You just can't
Don't-
eat. There's no bread. You gotta just cancel the whole meal.
All right, let me finish this. So those veggies stuffed with cheese, I would say a 5 out of 10. And then I got the grilled cheese. He says it's better baked, but all they could do here was fried on the, right, grilled actually. I'd say 3 out of 10. And that cheese is phenomenal. I say 10 out of 10. The beef, yes, same, like 7 out of 10. I didn't like that one. I would say 2 out of 10 on that. And the beans were pretty good too. I would say 8 out of 10 on that.
I'm not a bean guy, but the flavor was pretty good in the sauce and all. But you know, I guess the best part of this meal had to be Martin. He was just sat here and gave us history lessons, answered all our questions about Albania, and yeah, this was a feast of a meal. I don't know how we're gonna go on a walking tour now. This boy better have a wheelchair out there for me.
He only does walking tours, but he came with us and had breakfast. Now we're gonna go start our walking tour with him, and we'll show you around Albania.